Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to showcase a video to show you guys the progress of a property that we're working on here in beautiful Torrance, California. And this is old Torrance. A lot of older homes here. This property was built in 1931. It has some slight updates in 1955 and then once again in 2024. And right now the boys are working on the lathe. I'm going to show you guys the outside real quick and then work the way inside the ADU here in Torrance, California. As you can see, the boys are working really hard to get the job done and keep everything on schedule. All right, let's work our way this way and then show you guys the inside and show you guys this ADU. It's a corner lot, very desirable or corner properties guys and land. For the simple fact that you can build an ADU and have its own entrance. There you go. So this is going to be the flooring that the homeowners chose to go with. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom ADU. Apologies about the noise. The guys are busy working. There's the bedroom, closet. This is gonna be where the washer dryer, and then here's the bathroom, the shower. The backsplash is drying, and then that's the tile flooring that the homeowners chose to go with. Very elegant styling. And here we have the interior of the main house, guys, corner lot. As you can see, the wall has been removed, and then there has been an extension towards the street, a little more square footage. And right now the team is putting down the tile work. It's a beautiful tile because it matches the theme of the house. There you go. And let's let the boys do their thing. The team is working hard, so I'm not going to disturb them, let them do their thing. But there was a quick video of the progress, guys. Torrance, California, ADU. Today, flooring and the exterior of the lathe, apply the stucco. Thank you for watching.